I have been using the new Microsoft Edge as my secondary browser because I use some of the Microsoft services. Plus, it is actually the default browser on my system because if someone sends me a link, any link, I want those links to open on Microsoft Edge, not in my main browser. Look at my taskbar. I'm using like 3 different Google Chrome instances because I do different things in different instance and all that. So Microsoft Edge is also part of this because Microsoft Edge is now based on Google Chrome. And I thought that this is a good browser, but just recently found out that this is a terrible, terrible browser. I never liked Microsoft Edge actually. Just recently, another thing is happening with Microsoft and Edge. Again, they are trying to trick other people to use Microsoft Edge by, tricking people to import data to the Microsoft Edge from the other browser. This has happened multiple times before, and I did video in this. I didn't like the way Microsoft is doing things with the Edge, but still, again, I have been using it, but now I cannot use Microsoft Edge. Just recently found out that this is actually the terrible, terrible browser. So for my second browser, I need to hunt for a browser. Okay, let me explain something here. There is this thing I do whenever I can. I make Minecraft videos on my Minecraft channel. And look at this little guy here at the top. That's me. Yeah, that's some kind of filter. Actually, I made a Snapchat filter, which I played through web browser and then recorded alongside the gameplay footage and all that. Look at that. I find it funny. Plus, I don't know. Okay, whatever. I do this. Okay. So just recently I was like, let's do it. It's been almost like 2 months. I haven't posted anything. I was like, let's do it one more time because I have free time and all that. And I opened my filter on the Microsoft Edge because that's what I have been using. And look at this. This thing is not rendering properly. Look at those lags. Now, I was curious whether it will work on the Chrome or not. I opened Chrome and look at that. It is working perfectly. Look at that. I can jiggle and all that, I can record it. But this thing wasn't for Chrome. Okay, I have managed my things differently, like different account, different things that I do on web browser are separated. Basically, okay, this job is for the Microsoft Edge, and I have been doing this for a while now, recording my gameplay with this and all that. But now all of a sudden it's not working. It wasn't actually working. I had this issue before, but somehow it got fixed, and now I have this issue again. Okay, but guess what? This isn't the only thing. let me show you guys something here. Something that I recently found out. This is actually the second time I'm recording this video because first video I was like shocked. Okay, I was completely shocked and I had to redo the video. If I open up the task manager and look at the resource usage, wow. Okay, the both browser are doing the same thing, have the same thing opened. Okay, same, nothing else. Okay, you can see here at the 11 tabs. Not 11 tabs, actually 11 processes in the background for both browsers. Both are also using efficiency mode, but one of them is doing much better. And guess which one is doing much better? That is the Google Chrome. Using less CPU and providing a better experience. Like, look at that. That little guy in the green screen is talking, moving properly. Okay. He has no issues. But look at the other guy on the Microsoft Edge. This guy doesn't know what's happening. Microsoft Edge is using almost like triple amount of resource, CPU, okay, CPU power, and still not providing me a clean, user experience. Like, the thing that I'm trying to do here isn't working, even after using this much CPU. And I have noticed this before too, like when I was setting up this thing. Yeah, Microsoft always has been using more CPU because I never tested on the Google Chrome because I thought that these are just similar things and I was okay with it. And at that time, when this thing was working, I like, okay, I mean, 20% CPU usage, I guess, is okay to use web browser because I'm using like heavy Snapchat filter and all that. I get it. But it turned out, no, it's not it's not like that. Google Chrome is just much more optimized web browser than any browser out there, even if it is based on Chromium. I don't even have to do other demos. Okay, I've seen similar things, like I ran the TikTok on both and started watching videos and scrolling and all that. Yeah, Microsoft is still using more resources and plus lagging all the time. And Chrome, whenever it needs resources, it will use it. But when you don't touch the tab, it just stabilizes itself in the resource usage. I thought that maybe Firefox can take the my second web browser place or whatever. And I did that. Okay, I downloaded the Firefox. Okay, I need to test a lot of web browsers for my secondary browser actually. Firefox is also doing the thing properly, better than Microsoft Edge. Okay, but when we pull out the task manager, Firefox actually uses more resources than Chrome and also Microsoft Edge. Yeah, I need to find some other web browser. Firefox isn't gonna work for me. I don't know why, but most of the web browsers are actually CPU intensive. Okay, I don't know why, except Google Chrome. I haven't tested all the web browsers out there, but let's do it actually. Let's download the Opera and maybe Brave, because I have never tried Brave before. So let's do it actually. Oh yeah, it's also working. Okay, now let's take a look at the task manager. Google Chrome. Wow, okay, this is unexpected. All right, 2 of them opened here. Okay, Brave is doing it actually, and it's also working. Okay, and Opera, yeah, also, I think you can see here clearly, Chrome is much more stable. Opera is also kind of using less. Yeah, it's almost the same because Opera has like the 17 background processes because I just installed it. Everything is good except the Microsoft Edge. Firefox or any Firefox based web browsers aren't gonna do it, I think, but I'm gonna still try. There are a couple of Firefox based browsers that I like, Flurp, Zen, and there are a couple of others. But still, I think it's gonna be Chromium based web browser. I don't know what's happening. Okay, it's using all the CPU power it needs to use. It's actually using more than what other browsers are using, but still, look at this. I have been doing it wrong all this time. Okay, it's clear that I'm not going to be using Microsoft Edge anymore. Let's see what happens. I'm going to be testing all the web browsers out there and then gonna choose the secondary web browser. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or you want to discuss something about the Microsoft Edge and the other web browsers, then please do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.